How to use safety and emergency features on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should also work for the Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. To start off, first go to the settings, then search for safety and emergency. So you should see it over here, safety and emergency. Now there are a lot of options you can do here. You can add emergency contacts, you can set up emergency SOS, you can enter your medical information like allergies or blood type. The safety and emergency feature on the Google Pixel device is really important because it helps you, like when you're in an emergency situation, you can quickly call for help like by pressing the power button 5 times. And it can show your medical information on your lock screen like for first responders, and it will also notify your emergency contacts. So first here you can put in your medical information, so your blood type, your height, your weight, and then next off we have your emergency contact. Here you can add your emergency contact. You can add them directly from your contacts, or you can add new contacts. And here there's the emergency SOS. It's turned on by default. When you press the power button 5 times, it will call the emergency services and share your live location. So we have to set it up. First, click on Start Setup. So click on Start, and then this will call the 911. So click on Next. Now the emergency services is set up. Next, which is will share your live location. Click on Start Setup. Now it will give you some information about what it does and how it shares your information, your live location with your emergency contacts and the emergency services. Click on Setup. Now you will need to add some emergency contacts. For now, I'm gonna skip it. Now it's gonna say real-time location, so make sure it's turned on. Also turn on the emergency call and click next. Now go to settings and turn on the location. And then go back. Now it says it's set up. Now go to next. Then click on next. And then click while using the app. Now you could also set like if you want to where it's gonna record a video when you click the when you're in an emergency situation and you click the power button 5 times, it's gonna start recording the video. So you can also set it up or skip. I'm just gonna set it up here. Just give you some information. Turn on. I'm gonna turn on here, and then you can choose to share the video automatically or not to share it. I'm just gonna share automatically. Click next. Click next, and then done. Now the emergency SOS is set up. It shows you how it works, and you can also try a demo. So click on try a demo. So this is just a quick demo. Click on next. Now you just press the power button 5 times. So now tap and hold for 3 seconds. Now you will see 3 options. You could call the emergency services or record a video or share your live location. So click on next, and that's basically the whole demonstration. Now there's also a feature, if you get into a car crash, your phone can detect if you got into a car crash, and then the phone will start vibrating and sounding the alarm, and the phone will ask you if you're okay. So to use this, you need to make sure you're signed in. Click continue, and then we're just gonna go to the tour here. Now once you sign in, go back. Now go to car crash detection. Now you can turn the car crash detection. So once you turn it on, you just press allow and then make sure the location is turned on. You can turn it on at all times or only allow while using the app. So just go back, and then now you have it turned on. I'll show you a quick demo. So try a demo. So I'll click on start. So it's gonna show you this this alert. You can say call 911 or you can say I'm okay.
Crash detected. Say emergency to call 911 now. Otherwise, say cancel.
I'm just gonna click I'm okay. Then you can say, you can choose whatever option, no crash, minor crash, and then that's it. Now, one last feature I would like to show is the crisis alert. This is really useful if there is like major crisis or there's floods or fires and the entire neighborhood needs to be alerted. So it's really important to have it turned on. Just click on turn on. So your phone will notify you if there's an emergency in your neighborhood or something, and you need to be aware of it or you need to evacuate a place, and it's really useful. So that's how to use the safety and emergency features on your Google Pixel phone. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.